Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to decorate your study room with sticky notes. First, consider the primary purpose of your sticky notes. Are they for reminders, brainstorming, or aesthetic appeal? Choose various sizes, from 1-inch by 1-inch mini notes to 4-inch by 6-inch larger pads, to suit different needs. Select a color scheme that complements your room's existing decor or use bright, contrasting colors. This initial planning sets the foundation for a truly effective and visually pleasing setup. To effectively organize your study space, assign a specific color to each subject or task. For instance, use blue for math, yellow for history, and pink for reminders. Designate a clear wall space, perhaps a 2-foot by 3-foot section, as your idea wall. Here, you can freely arrange and rearrange notes during brainstorming sessions, fostering dynamic thought processes. Small sticky flags are perfect for marking key pages in textbooks, saving valuable time when reviewing. Beyond organization, sticky notes can be a fantastic decorative element. Try creating a vibrant mosaic on an empty wall, perhaps a 3-foot by 3-foot square, using notes of different hues to form a geometric pattern or even a simple image. You can also construct a visual timeline, stretching 5 to 6 feet across your desk area, to track historical events or project milestones. Dedicate a small section, about 1 foot by 1 foot, to a mood board with motivational quotes and study goals. To maintain the effectiveness of your sticky note system, make it a habit to review and update them weekly. Remove outdated information and replace it with fresh insights, ensuring your study space remains relevant. Always press notes firmly onto surfaces for at least 5 seconds to ensure they adhere properly, especially on textured walls. For frequently moved notes, or those on less adhesive surfaces, consider using notes with a stronger adhesive, often labeled super sticky, offering twice the holding power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.